Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to install Bookly Pro, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's dive into it. So from WordPress, on the left hand side, you'll have your menu. You are going to navigate down and you're going to look for plugins, okay? And you'll see add new plugins. So once you've clicked on add new plugins, you'll be able to see all of the plugins available. On the right hand side, there is a search bar. You're going to go and look for Bookly. From here, you are going to find Bookly. It'll be the official Bookly plugin. It says the WordPress online booking and scheduling plugin. Bookly. Let's click on install now. Now, once we've installed it, this should take a few seconds. And once it's done, you'll see an activate button. Let's click on the activate button and you'll see now there are a few things in over here. It has been activated. So what will happen is when you are creating bookings, you will need a total of one service at minimum and one staff member. This will allow Bookly to take a service and a staff member and have your customer that is making a booking choose a service and a staff member when placing a booking on your website. So on the left hand side in this menu, you're going to go all the way down. You'll see here is where Bookly is, and the initial setup pop out will pop in here, and we're going to click on this, and here you're going to just say continue. So you'll now be able to set up your times, your trading hours, and you can see here, you can customize all of that. You can also set the time intervals to be used as a step when creating all time slots in a system. So if you only offer 1 hour appointments, that's probably going to be the better idea. However, if it's less, you can choose less. You can then also choose the currency that you would like to have all of your services in. And we can now say continue. Here you are going to add those staff members that I spoke about earlier on. So we can say Bob Johnson, and we are going to add an email. And we're going to add a phone number. You now click on continue. Here is where you are going to add your services. So for example, we're going to say consultation, and you can set a duration for this. Now I'm going to just leave it as 1 hour and click on continue. Here you will go ahead and create a Bookly account. So you will go and click on create account. You will now choose your email password. You will confirm that password, choose your country of origin, and then accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. And there we go. We are now done with our setup. We have now installed the Bookly plugin. We're going to click on finish over here, and we can now manage it, making sure, of course, that you have your services set up as well as your staff members so that your customers can book appropriate staff members and services